All right, let's get a check of your weather forecast. Some changes over the next few days. First of which we begin with the picture satellite and radar. You'll notice off to the west, there's a stationary front. It was moving as a cold front, parked the brakes, not moving much, becomes a stationary front, right? That, with the help of some daytime heating, has really kicked up a nice line of thunderstorms spanning from near Joplin back to the southwest of Oklahoma City. And that's where we find those showers and storms right now. They're all staying just below severe limits, but some heavy downpours because they're not really moving very much at all. That could lead to some localized flooding, and there's a decent amount of lightning and thunder. So now the question becomes, are they going to make it all the way here into our neck of the woods in East Oklahoma and West Arkansas? I think a few probably are going to. Chances of that will continue tonight, about 30 to 40%, kind of depending on where you're at. I think Northwest Arkansas a bit more favored tonight. But notice over the next couple of days, chances of rain still going to be there. Now, they're only in that 30 to 50% range, meaning there's a good chunk of folks that probably aren't going to see much at all. Some will. Not everyone gets in on the action. Let's time this out for tonight. This is 8 p.m. I think maybe it's a little bit too early, but it gives you a ballpark idea of a few broken showers moving into the area. But you notice this doesn't look anything like what is happening actually out there right now. There's going to be some weakening, and that's the difference we see. These are expected to be weakening on approach, breaking up as they do, becoming a bit more spotty in nature going into the evening hours. Most of us will be dry overnight while you're asleep. Some of us could wake up to a couple of spotty showers tomorrow morning, much like this morning. Most folks are going to be just fine. We get to tomorrow afternoon, and I would expect with the help of some daytime heating, you'll notice a few of these showers and thunderstorms are going to probably redevelop. You'll see those fizzle out once the sun sets, likely tomorrow evening. Speaking of tomorrow, it's going to be a hot one, upper 80s, low 90s. Kind of just depends on where those rain chances set up. Low to mid 90s expected across the river valley. So not as hot as it was today. Well, we can all agree, still going to be hot, right? Fort Smith currently at 96 degrees, a light breeze out of the southeast, about 5 miles per hour. 93 Fayetteville, a gust of wind up to about 10 or so miles an hour. Do have a new allergy report to pass along to you. We noticed the grass pollen is in the medium category, weeds in the low, mold back up to very high. This from our friends over at Hedberg Allergy and Asthma Clinic. Your Northwest Arkansas 7-day forecast takes us down to the upper 60s overnight tonight. Next couple of days, best chances of rain out of the next 7. You start to see some afternoon pop-ups here and there. That'll continue into the weekend. Temperatures are warming back up as we lose that cloud cover, those rain chances back in the mid to upper 90s. Heat index values, of course, going into the second half of this week. Certainly this weekend, probably going to be quite high, if not in excess of 100 degrees, probably very close to it. Certainly will be the case in the River Valley. This is what we've got on tap for the next several days. Chance of rain tomorrow about 40%. It's the highest we've got, but I'll be honest, it's no guarantee everyone sees rain. Look for the best timing to be early afternoon into the early part of the evening, that general window. 30% chance Wednesday. By the end of the week, we're losing that steam. In terms of rain chances, we're gaining it in humidity. We're gaining it in temperatures. By Friday and Saturday, we're right around 99 degrees.
You know, I think it's wishful thinking, but this morning and temperatures like this, I kind of think it feels crisp outside, almost like fall.
It's
but
all
it's
relative.
90 degrees.
And yeah, it's all relative. I'm waiting for a good, strong cold front to give us a true taste of fall.
I am too.
Maybe soon.
Maybe soon. All right, thanks, Scott.